Let's dive right into this explainer and uncover the totally hidden carbon footprint behind an independent hotel's daily operations.
Because beyond that room rate, everyday hotel operations are quietly devouring resources and pumping out massive carbon emissions.
And the clock is ticking. The industry needs massive carbon reductions by 2030 and even deeper cuts by 2050.
Going green? It's not optional anymore. Lagging behind means soaring costs, fewer guests, and regulators breathing down your neck.
Check this out. Behind guests' comfort is a huge, hidden electricity drain, driven mostly by HVACs and nonstop elevators.
Water use across guest facilities is astronomical. Even unseen pumping and treatment systems are creating tons of indirect emissions.
Plus, those tiny single-use plastics and disposable room amenities, they create completely unnecessary waste and harmful carbon emissions.
Okay, let's step into the kitchen and see how food and beverage operations actually pile on to that daily footprint.
Kitchen emissions aren't just from cooking. It's the complex food production, intense refrigeration, transportation, and quite frankly, food waste.
Now, heading down to the basement. Everyday laundry is one of the most resource-heavy daily drains in all hospitality.
Think about it. Washing daily linens and towels demands an unbelievable amount of water, electricity, and continuous heat generation.
So here's the million-dollar question. How can independent hotels tackle these huge operational emissions without completely breaking the bank?
Well, the path is clear. Track your utilities, upgrade to LED lighting, and enforce real operational discipline through training.
Also, installing low-flow fixtures, ditching plastics entirely, and sourcing locally will drastically slash your hotel's daily environmental footprint.
You might think this is just environmental, but baking sustainability into daily operations is a brilliant commercial strategy.
These simple, sustainable actions directly translate into lower operating costs, a stronger brand reputation, and noticeably better asset value.
But watch out for greenwashing. Regulators are super skeptical, so you absolutely must rely on transparent, measurable actions.
Taking action today sets independent hotels up to slash costs and stay fiercely competitive in a rapidly evolving market.
Climate change has completely rewritten the rules of hospitality operations. So, I have to ask, is your hotel ready?